This video is to show the process of hanging sheetrock and also stocking the building, the Rourke building. Stocking the south building, which is 9,516 square feet and 4 different floors. Using a lift boom like this from Northwest is definitely beneficial for saving time and being more efficient. Overall, there are 504 sheets going into the south building alone. So we have 2,380 square feet per floor. So this boom lifts to each level to help stock it because we're unable to get around the staircase. So we have to remove windows and just get in where we can. So this is definitely helpful. You can see in this picture here, this is the 3rd level. So lifting up over 30 feet in the air to get it in through the window here. And then you see at the end of the sheetrock there, the different colors is the type of sheetrock. So we have 5/8 standard for fire barrier, and also for the ceilings. We have 1/2 inch standard, and then we have green board and 5/8 and 1/2 inch as well. As you can see, the protecting trim, so nothing, weight's not setting on the windowsill or the trim there when they're pulling all the sheets through. This is where they're actually stocked in the building, and then they're running the lift here to lift up on the ceiling. Hanging lids. Some good work today. And all the ceiling's done. 5/8 for fire barrier. Down the hallway. Green board for the bathrooms. Start on the walls tomorrow. All right, so during this process, we're just prepping for sheetrock. I'm taking off this trim and labeling it. It's the original trim. There's areas where we can leave it, but we're just making it easier on ourselves when we end up hanging it. All right, so this is unit 2B, bathroom, left. We're marking these for historic preservation. Go back to the red spot. Alright, so what we're doing here, doing our layout for sheetrock. So on these walls here, the fire barrier will be 5/8 because it goes, fire could transfer from this room to the hallway or from the hallway to this room. There's another room on this side, a unit, so this will be 5/8 as well. And that wall will be 5/8. The rest of it will be 1/2 inch. 1/2 inch here, 1/2 inch in here, and then we have our green 1/2 inch on these walls here, and then our green 5/8 on the wall. Just so you can see the green on the ceilings. So we already have the ceilings done. The rest of this will be plaster because that's what the original had. A brick wall here,
the plaster. As you can see, there's already brick behind it in this section. So we'll patch it where that wall came in and just clean up the corners there. We got Greg over here prepping. So we're gonna get started. Hey Greg, what are you working on?
Hey, Jim on this closet.
You putting the final touches on sheetrock?
The final touches. We missed this closet.
Nice work.
Want to see the old wiring? What it used to look like.
Is that aluminum? Or copper?
Yeah, that's copper.
That sheetrock hung on the first level. Bedroom unit D. Bathroom. There's the lock off for unit D. Master bedroom there. Good size master. There's the other entrance. Coming into the studio, this is unit B, bathroom. the studio, closet, and this be the kitchen over here. This is Unit A, which is a 1-bedroom. Large windows, lots of light. Kitchen area. We were using the original trim. Historic preservation. Bathroom. This is coming into the bedroom. Large window in the bedroom. The closet. Final touches, but majority of the first level is hung.